Hey everybody, Troy here from RoamR, and I have a big announcement. Our Pack Mule 2017 Toyota Tundra truck is actually going up for sale. This has been probably one of my most favorite vehicles of all time. I always say it like floats like a cloud going freeway speeds, but alas, it is time for it to find a new home to make room for the next few products that we have coming up. So I'm going to go around, show you a little bit about it. It has just about everything you could want on a truck. It is beyond turnkey. It's just perfect. I'm going to miss this truck a ton. So I'm just going to start dialing in, shouting out all the things that we did on this truck. I'll probably have more of a list when you PM us or where I post this. I'll try to give a complete list. But I'm going to give you like the shooting from the hip as much as I can see as I walk around. So starting off, we have the Lightner rack, totally dialed in with tons of accessories. We've got the Rhino rack above the cab. Of course, tinted windows all throughout, including the back. We've got an Icon Stage 8, I believe, suspension system. Thing is just amazing. It's like 3.5-inch lift. We've got 35-inch tires with Icon rims. Super awesome. We've got the decked system in the back, the drawers, put all your goodies. Such a great combination with the Lightner rack. We also have a worn front and rear bumper, and behind the license plate we actually have a rear winch. So it's pretty outfitted, you know, just over deluxe everywhere you look on this thing. It's got a power tank, roto packs, spot for another roto packs. We had a leak in one of the containers. Another one we'll get before the sale is complete. We have Rockslide Engineering steps. My kids love this one. So anytime you get in, my wife as well. Easy entry. We also have the upgraded interior. Limited interior, heated seats, the whole 9 yards, leather, black leather, and we have an OEM audio plus upgraded sound system. This thing sounds amazing. So for all you audiophiles, it's all set up way better than the stock JBL I think they have in here. It's way better than that. Also in the back here, we've got under the seat safe that goes all the way across. There's used to have 3 compartments, but now there's only 2 compartments because the third one we put in a compressor. So you can see that it's got a compressor in the back right under the seat, so it's super nice, super convenient. What else do we got here? We've got the RK Sport hood with the hood scoop. It's pretty awesome. Of course, the NSV nose light, really nice nose light for a lot of light and extra functions. Of course, we changed the grille out in front. This is the worn front bumper with lots of ARB lights on this rig with worn winch and ARB lights up top. Those things are like $1,000 a piece. They're crazy expensive. Under the hood, we have Genesis Off-Road dual battery style kit here. He actually makes a completed one. I was a guinea pig. He sent me a kit, so I actually created my own mounting but used all his technology. So it's a full-on Genesis Off-Road kit, just mounted on both sides. And switch pros for inside for all your switches. And of course, one of the biggest deals about this truck is it's got a Magnuson Supercharger. So this truck is like close to a 6-second car. It's so fast, so fun. Not only is the horsepower rated around 550, but the torque is around 550. And I can tell you from experience, I've towed about 2 or 3 times just a single Jeep on a trailer, and it tows as good or arguably better than my cousin's Dodge Super Duty. I mean, it is insane what the torque does, upgrades at speed. It's just awesome. We also have the upgraded LED lights. Everything's been touched on this truck. Bumper lights, everything and anything you can think of. So hit us up, let us know if you're interested, let us know if you know of somebody else that's interested, and if you guys, RoamR Nation, help us sell this truck, whoever helps us sell it from a referral is going to get $100. So tell your friends, post it, share it, and if we track it back to you helping us sell this thing, $100 bill coming your way. It's not going to be on very long. This was probably about a $120,000 build. Last but not least, it's got 34,000 miles on it, so it still has a 2,000 miles on the warranty, so it's a soft landing for the next owner. Make sure everything is good to go. Don't take our word for it. You've got a warranty, and the supercharger is still under warranty for quite a while as well. So you are totally covered no matter what with this truck, and it's gonna be a great truck for years to come. So one of the favorite builds we've ever done, and sad to see it go, but it's got to go. So take a look. I'm gonna do a little walk around, share it, tell your friends. And we are gonna officially be listing this thing. First money takes it. All right, hope you have a great day, and don't forget to push that share button and that like button, and let everybody know that we're selling this. Thanks.